Namaskar. I am nutritionist Bhavani Swaminathan and welcome to Akanksha Desire for Wellness. There are people who start with their weight loss program and after few days or few months they leave the program and they say that I cannot live without eating food, or rather the food which I love. So do watch this video. I am going to share some desi Indian vegetarian diet for weight loss. But before that, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my latest videos. Dieting does not mean that you are going to eat just boiled vegetables and fruits and salads. You need to eat the food which you really love, but you need to eat it very mindfully. That's what I'm going to share, the 5 golden rules for weight loss. Rule number 1, say completely no to refined sugar, that is avoid refined sugar. Rule number 2, include more of alkaline food in your diet. Rule number 3, drink water in sufficient amount. Rule number 4, lead a disciplined life. And rule number 5 is exercise. So let us begin with the first golden rule. It is very important that if you really want to lose weight, you need to cut down, or you need to just remove those extra sugars which you are taking, the refined sugars. So rather than including refined sugar in your diet, if you have sweet tooth, go for more of natural sweeteners like fruits and honey and all those stuff. And now when we talk about the alkaline food, you need to be having more of raw food. Raw food in terms of having more of salads, more of fruits, nuts. Include nuts in your diet like almonds, pistachios, kishmish, raisins. All these things you need to include in your diet. Then the third rule which we are talking about is more of drink sufficient amount of water. So there is a way, a pattern of drinking water which actually we do not realize. We do not drink water in that way, and that is one of the reasons we put on weight. So you need to drink in a particular way which I will be telling you how to drink. And then rule number 4, lead a very disciplined life, in the sense you getting up in the right from getting up in the morning, your breakfast time, your lunch time, your evening snack, your dinner, everything should be done at proper intervals, and you need to regulate these things. Like it cannot happen one day you are having your breakfast at 8 o'clock, the other day you will be having your breakfast at 9 o'clock. No, you should be sticking to the breakfast and lunch and dinner timing. That's very important when you are looking for weight loss. And the last golden rule, that is exercising, because people feel quite lazy when it comes to exercise. So there is something called 80-20, where 80% of diet you need to take care of, 20% of exercise, and exercise is equally important. So we need to look at all these things when we are going for a diet plan, especially for weight loss. And if you are a beginner, you have to be very firm, you have to be very strict with yourself. So I'm going to share a general diet plan. Our bodies are different. In Ayurveda, it is called as Prakriti, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha Prakriti. So depending on your Prakriti, the diet is given. But now in this video, I'll be sharing just a general diet. Whoever can follow this, it's going to be a vegetarian diet. So number 1, when you get up in the morning, the first thing, without brushing your teeth, you need to have Nimbu shot. What is Nimbu shot? You need to just squeeze one lime, and that concentrated juice, it will be around 1 to 1.5 teaspoon. You have to just drink that without brushing your teeth. After half an hour, you can have fresh vegetable juice or fruit juice, or a combination of vegetable and fruit juice. You can combine bottle gourd, you can add beetroot to it, you can add apple to it. Just put it in the blender, add some water, churn it and strain it and drink it. Breakfast is very important, so you should not skip breakfast. So make sure that you are having something good for your breakfast, which is healthy, which means a combination of carbohydrate and protein. It can be any Indian breakfast. You can choose a fresh breakfast. After having breakfast in the mid morning, that is around 11:30, you can have a cup of herbal tea. rather than going for tea and coffee, you can just make a herbal tea by adding all the herbs like turmeric, then pepper and all those things with a little bit of jaggery, and then drink that. And for lunch, have a proper good lunch, including that typical, the Indian diet, which has roti, dal, sabzi, or chawal, or with chawal you can have dal or sambar or those kind of thing. And mid-evening, that is around say 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, we are really hungry and we land up eating something which we should not eat, and that adds to our weight, because ultimately we land up eating something like vada pav or samosa or some kind of bhajiyas and all, and at the end, for dinner we don't feel like eating dinner and we skip dinner, and that's where we make a big mistake. So make sure that you are having something good in the evening. It can be anything, you make some makhanas, roasted makhanas, you have some chiwdas, something which is homemade, or it is not preserved, something which has preservative is added to it. So make sure you are having some good food in the evening too. You can also have chapati in the evening. That is not going to matter. It's actually very healthy to have chapati in the evening too, because people feel that how is it possible for lunch and dinner I'm having rotis, and how I can have chapati again in the evening. So that doesn't matter. It is very healthy. You can even have chapati or paratha in the evening, some makhanas or some of these kind of stuff, even some laddus made out of til and gur, or peanuts and gur. These things you can have in the evening when you are really hungry. And for dinner, make sure that you complete your dinner by 8 o'clock or max to max by 8:30. Do not stretch more than that. So then you have again for dinner, you have some soup, salad, and maybe 1 or 2 chapatis. And make sure that you are light, you are not overloading yourself for the dinner. And another thing is, your dinner time and sleeping time, there should be a gap of 2 hours. So if 8:30 you have finished your dinner, so ideally you should be going to bed by 10:30, and make sure that you're having 1 glass of warm milk, adding turmeric powder or honey to it before going to sleep. So 10:30 to 5:30 or 6 o'clock, your sleep should be absolutely peaceful. You should be undisturbed sleep you should be getting. So this is how, and if you follow this pattern of eating, compulsorily you eat at those timings only, on regular basis, then you will find that you are leading a more disciplined life. Now comes about the alkaline food. So make sure that you are having lot of raw food in your diet, as I said, including nuts, vegetables and fruits. Apart from this, you can make alkaline water on your own at home. Just take 1 liter water in a steel container, add 4 to 5 pieces of cucumber to it, and just half a lemon to it, cover it with a lid. Next day morning you strain it and drink it. And now when we are following this weight loss program, that is this diet, make sure that you are not having tea and coffee, because it's of no use when you are again having tea and coffee when you are doing a diet. So maybe it will be difficult for you to suddenly leave tea and coffee, to get rid from the addiction of tea and coffee. So what you can do is, you can slowly reduce the quantity of your chai and coffee intake, so that after some days you are completely free from the addiction of tea and coffee. And exercise is very important. At least 30 minutes in a day you should be exercising. It can be in the form of brisk walking or cycling or some form of yoga or Zumba. In my next video, I will be showing you some workout at home which you can do for 30 minutes, or not 30 minutes if you don't have time, even for 20 minutes if you do these rigorous workouts. That is going to really help you to lose those extra pounds. So do like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video, and let's make our lives healthier and happier.